Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I bring you another amazing DIY black soap shampoo. I'll be taking you through on how to create your own DIY black soap shampoo for your hair, just in case your black soap looks different than what you see on your screen right now. It is because they are different African black soap. This one is a different one. According to the woman I bought it from, she said this one is the best. There are other ones, they are the ones that are black in color, but this one is a little bit ashy, but she said this one is the best. The first thing I will do is to transfer it into my bowl. Use a stainless steel bowl, do not use rubber. Then I will start breaking my soap apart. There's some soap you will have to grate or cut, but then this one breaks apart easily. After breaking it into small chunks, I go in with warm water. I am using warm water because it makes it easier for the black soap to melt inside it. After submerging my soap into the water, I cover it up and let it sit for 24 hours. Leaving it to sit for 24 hours will give it time to properly melt. This is after 24 hours. The following day, our soap has properly melted. Now we are going to sieve it using a cheesecloth. It is important that you don't skip this step. Do not skip sieving it, because if you do, it has some particles that will get into your hair and you do not want that to happen. So make sure you sieve it. African black soap is made from ashes and leaves from local plants such as palm leaves, plantain, cocoa pod. It is sun dried and then roasted, so you should expect these particles. It is important for you to sieve it before use. This is our soap after removing impurities. The next step is to add in our flaxseed for moisture. We all know that African black soap is a bit drying to the hair, so you need to add anything moisturizing to it. Today we are using our flaxseed gel. After pouring my flaxseed gel, I went in with our melted African black soap. Please note that there are still particles underneath, so be careful when you're pouring it in. Next is to add my multipurpose moringa infused oil into it. Next is to add our vegetable glycerin. Next is to measure out a tablespoon of xanthan gum. This gum is supposed to make our soap thick. We are going to melt it with glycerin. If you do not have glycerin, you can use warm water. Do not use cold water because it will not melt. Next is to add your preservative. It is very important to use preservative when you're making a product that consists of water mostly, so it will not breed bacteria. Currently, our soap hasn't thickened up, but as it sits, it will eventually. But if you need your soap to be in the cream-like consistency, you might need to use an emulsifying wax. I'll be storing the shampoo into this bottle. I will give you heads up on my wash day. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel because I will be uploading more DIY videos on the channel. And we have come to the end of this video. Do have a lovely day. See you in my next video.